So, let's go to New Haven, I guess, because I think that's the closest point we can get to it. I don't know, they don't show up on a map, it doesn't tell you where your quest is. They had some work to do with this one. I think they cleaned it up in the second Borderlands a lot. But, to be honest, I'm not 100%. I didn't want to do that. But I did. And I don't regret a single action. Look at Bloodwing go. Just bouncing around all over the place. I wish I had that much energy. So. Who's Lucky? Wasn't that guy? I'm not doing that. Maybe. If we ever go back there, I might try and find Lucky.
Scooter asked me to tell you about a little something he needs done. You should ask him about it.
Fine. Later. Remind me. Claptrap, please. Because so far, we've done nothing. No, we killed Mad Mel. Murdered Mel. Oh, it was so much fun. Yeah, getting rushed by midgets. Oh. Yeah, there we go. That's what you're supposed to do. There's like a cat around here. King Wee Wee? I guess it would make sense. He's tiny. I was thinking he was taking a pee-pee. King Wee Wee. Where are you, King Wee Wee? Time to face your doom. The Tinnitus Warehouse. Okay, so I think we can kill Wee Wee and collect those things at the same time, right? Tinnitus. What a weird name. I guess we could buy some things or sell them. Right? Can't use that. That's fine. Can't use that. Can I use any of it? Yes. But not most of it. That's fine. I would like to sell that. And keep everything else. Does that sound good? You like that trade, Marcus? So, some sort of crystals. These ones. These are what we need. Yes. 50. 50! Oh my god. We've got to play Counter-Strike. Sweet. So, let's find some more things here. We got more crystals. No sign of Wee Wee. Oh! Spider ants. Spider antling. These guys run fast, but die quick. Oh, they jump. That's good. Excellent. Bloodwing, you're the best. I don't know why these things, why everything has to attack me. I'm just trying to make a living here, mining these acidic crystals. Oh, these people are trying to get some acid. That's what it is, and I'm their dealer. I'm the enabler. God, I feel like a bad person. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it all up. Yes, that one too. Sweet, I got 15 out of 50. Yeah, we're almost halfway there. If I can get 10 more, not die, that would be sweet. Pick it all up. Yeah. That badass spider guy is a jerk. Just keep jumping and shooting. Jumping and shooting. Maybe not that guy. I'm stuck. This isn't going very well at all. Oh, kick him in the butt. Get him in the butt. That's his weak spot. You hit him in the butt. Yes. I killed your queen. You are my team now. And you're on the bench. And by bench, I mean the grave. Alright. Timeout for 2 seconds. Honestly, it'll be 2 seconds. Alright, I'm back. Looks like we have a claptrap over here. Money here. What is that? It's like a... Wow, that's pretty cool. I don't know what it is. Part for something. Okay. Claptrap is... here. Right? Hey, buddy. Candace Warren. We gotta discover Claptrap, repair him, and make him feel all better. We'll do that, so we're gonna pick up these. I don't know if I can break those with like a melee. A melee. And we're halfway there. Oh, good. Hello? Oh, I missed. Now they all know I'm here. Okay, yeah, you can. It just takes a long time, and why would you bother doing that when that is much more efficient? Almost got them all. Just need this one, which is kind of hidden in the rock. So there's... that should be 30. We got some bad guys here. Oh, he ducked! The last second. Okay. Ah, we got one. You know, we're kind of standing out in the open. I was hoping that would actually hurt him, but it didn't. I missed. Understandable, I guess. That guy's dead. Stop running around. Bandit killer. He's dead. That was good. That was a nice headshot. Oh no! Oh, he's not dead. Now he is. Duck. Oh, did we get him in the shoulder? We got him in the shoulder. Or I'm gonna pay. Yeah. Rapid shot sniper. Oh, yeah, that's right. Oh, there's more. Oh, I missed. That wasn't good. That wasn't good. I'm out of ammo. That's not good. Oh, he like flew backwards. That's not good. Oh. Oh, bobblehead. That was some nice money. Out of ammo for that. Wow, that guy's kind of tough. Yeah, was kind of tough. Anyone else alive? Pick up the money. There's this guy. He's dead. This guy is kind of sadistic. He's laughing about that. He doesn't care. He just take it all. Take it all, murder all. It looks like there's tons of stuff in there. Sorry. Where is my shotgun? Looks like I don't have one. There it is. Boom! Get that stuff out of here. I wish it was easier to pick these up. Like, I wish you could just run over them instead of having to, like, stare at them and pick up each individual one. Oh! That blew up right in my face. See? Look, I gotta, like, stare at it. Like, I want to pick it up. Why can't I just run over it? Or why can't the pickup box be larger? We're 10 away. And this should be 5 away. And then we're done that quest. Now we have to kill his wee-wee. Go. Get out of my face. Same for you. We got this. We got Bloodwing. Save me. That was easy. And we don't use as much ammo. Which is good, because like I'm out of some ammo. Like my sniper rifle. Doesn't surprise me when, you know, things like this have to be done. You have to pick up 50 million crystals, and that's done. What do we got for weapons? Ammo in here? Kinda. That's not better than what I have. Neither is that. Some grenades. Some ammunition. Alright, let's see if we can find that repair kit, and then we'll kill the wee-wee. We got 30 shots with that. It's not a lot, but it'll do. I opened it, but it didn't do anything. Oh, it's a washing machine. It's like too low. Where is it? It says it's like right here. Do I have to do some weird jumping? Shops have new inventory. That's good to know. What? What? Where is this? Someone, tell me where this is. It's like right above me. But yet not. I don't understand this. It's not there. This is tricky. So it says it's like up here. Is it in this? That'd be sweet, but no, it's not there. Where is this thing? Come on. I'm like looking right at it. I'm looking right at it. I don't see this. This thing doesn't exist. Not here. Is it like up there? That's where I think it is, but I can't be so certain. It's not on the floor. I don't know. This is, I'm gonna say, baloney. And the other ones I could kind of see, but this one not really. Not really know at all. Can we jump up here? Maybe. We might be able to do that. That might be the way we have to do it. Who knows? You just kind of run along this pole and jump, and up here, and it's up there. I knew it was there. Why couldn't I see it? Oh, this is terrible. Just absolutely terrible. This is the worst. Yeah, and jump. We made it. Yeah. Oh goodness, why? Am I jumping in the wrong spot? Is that what's going on? This shouldn't take this long to do. I can get to here fine. Yeah, see? Why couldn't I do? This reminds me that this episode is brought to you by Mega Man 2, Extreme 2, whatever. Get some. Yeah. Oh my... Okay. Carry me, Bloodwing. Son of a bitch. I'm jumping. I swear I'm jumping. I just have to probably aim in the right direction like the other one. You can't be too close to the wall because there's like invisible walls along the way. Like, God help you if you get too close to that. Oh, yeah. Time to turn in and murder that claptrap myself for being such a jerk.